review our push pier system. It's a 2 7/8 push pier provided by ECP. Every one of our push pier projects has this push pier bracket design, everything entailed with it. This pier has an ultimate capacity of 68,000 pounds, just this one pier. Your house typically weighs about 1,000 to 2,000 pounds per linear foot. So this pier is well capable of holding up your home and stabilizing your foundation. Some of the key components of the bracket is the base plate. This is where most of the loading is occurred. Your footing will sit here and it will secure right up underneath the bottom part of your footing. You have 2 bolt holes here that will put in wedge anchors to secure the bracket in place while we're doing the installation. On the back side of the bracket, you have a series of brace plates. That's just to stop any lateral movement of the bracket. And then on the top you have the top cap. This top cap sits directly on top of the pipe that's installed, and all your weight is transferred from your pier and your footing onto this cap. Now the pipe that we use is 2 7/8 in diameter, and this here is the lead section. The lead section, every lead section is going to have a friction reducing collar. The reason we have a friction reducing collar is because we almost want a tunnel effect for the rest of the pipe that's going to follow through. So what this friction reducing collar does, it bores out the hole just a fraction of an inch so you don't produce a ton of skin friction during installation. So your lead section goes in, you get to a stopping point. Each each pipe section is 3.5 feet in length. Once we get to the max of that pipe embedment, we take our next pier extension, which has a slip collar on it, and it simply slips inside of the pier that's already been installed. We continue this process until we get into competent material that's able to take on and carry the load of your home. Typically with our installations, we do between 20 and 25 feet is usually the max we do or go. The bracket itself is very reinforced, very heavy. This bracket weighs roughly about 70 pounds. And that's the ECP 2 7/8 push pier in a nutshell.